Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a topic for our Sri Lankan friends who lives in GCC. How Sri Lankans living in GCC get Dubai visa. Stick around because we've got all the details you need to know about the changes introduced in the Dubai visit visa system. Dubai visit visa reforms that came into effect on April 29, 2016. This day marked a significant shift for GCC residence permit holders planning a trip to Dubai must get visa prior to arrival. In the latest update, as of December 2023, the Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC's single tourist visa, is in progress and governments within the GCC are diligently working on integrating their systems and addressing crucial security aspects before the visa's introduction. Notably, the Minister of Economy in the United Arab Emirates recently stated that dedicated regulations and legislation for this groundbreaking visa are under development. The targeted rollout is expected to take place between 2024 and 2025, contingent upon the readiness of each GCC country's internal systems. For GCC residents planning a visit to the Dubai, obtaining a visa is a straightforward process with various options to suit your travel needs. The single-entry visas come in two durations: 489 AED for a 30-day stay and 689 AED for a 60-day stay. If you're looking for the flexibility of multiple entries, the multi-entry visas are available at 990 AED for a 30-day stay and 1,190 AED for a 60-day stay. The standard processing time for visas is a reasonable 2 to 3 working days, ensuring a timely arrangement for your travel plans. For those requiring an even faster turnaround, an express visa service is offered, allowing you to receive your visa within just 4 hours for an additional fee. Applying for a Dubai visa from GCC country through Arabiers is super easy, making the entire process smooth and digital. All you need is a digital copy of your passport and a passport-sized photo, which can be conveniently submitted through WhatsApp or email. The payment process is equally straightforward, ensuring security through a double secured payment link. Travelers from GCC may refer to review experiences shared by our satisfied customers on Google Business and TripAdvisor before making your payment. Arabiers takes pride in providing reliable visa application service, backed by the trust and satisfaction of our valued clients. The processing time for a Dubai visit visa with Arabiers typically takes 2 to 3 working days, ensuring a swift and efficient turnaround. To optimize your application experience, consider a few pro tips. Firstly, always apply for your visa well in advance, as the standard validity for a visit visa is 60 days. Additionally, having a confirmed return flight ticket is a crucial requirement for visiting the Dubai. To expedite the process, make sure to use a scanning machine for clear and high-quality passport scans, enhancing the accuracy of your application. If you're applying for a Dubai visit visa from GCC during peak holiday seasons, opting for the express visa service can be advantageous to meet your travel timelines effectively. If you're a GCC national looking to obtain a Dubai visit visa, the process is straightforward and hassle-free. Unlike other international visitors, there is no need for a specific professional list or additional requirements. As a resident of the Gulf Cooperation Council, you will be treated as an international visitor. But the good news is that this doesn't bring about any changes in the application process. Regardless of your profession, anyone from the GCC can easily secure a Dubai visa with just a valid passport with a minimum of 6 months validity. Whether you're crossing through a border or arriving at the airport, there are no significant changes or additional requirements for GCC nationals. The key is to secure a valid UAE visit visa. The simplicity of the process ensures a smooth transition at the borders or airport checkpoints, allowing you to focus on enjoying the journey and the unique experiences that UAE has to offer. So gear up for your road adventure, and with a valid Dubai visit visa, you're ready to make the most of your travel through the GCC borders. We hope this comprehensive walkthrough eases your journey and fills it with excitement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and insights. Thank you for tuning in and safe travels.